We're in Treasure Island, Florida, and apparently the hurricane really did a lot of damage here. But what you're seeing here is the water actually ripped these off. And yeah, anyway, it's crazy. We're just, Biscuit, no. Biscuit! We're just learning from the locals kind of what happened here and how the devastation was. The Uber driver told us last night that two hurricanes within a week or something. It's the first time that's happened in 103 years. So it's kind of a ghost town, but we've enjoyed it immensely. And that's all I gotta say about that. Update on my black eye. Ooh, not good. January 6th, 2024.